Oh hey, how's it going? Are you gonna be doing the innovation sprint? Awesome. Do you know much about the process or nah? All good. I'll walk you through while we go upstairs. So the big idea with the innovation sprint is to validate, prototype and test your ideas in just 4 days. So kind of think of it as like a safety net to test your ideas really quickly. You save time, you save money, and you always bring back something valuable back to your team. Let's go upstairs. So every sprint starts off with a challenge that your company is facing, usually with a group of 5 to 7 people from different teams. So starting with Monday, you'll create sprint questions from choosing a specific area on your customer journey map, which outlines the main problems the team wants to focus on as a whole. By the end of the day, you'll each create competing sketch solutions. And don't worry, it's all about the ideas and not how it looks. Then on Tuesday, you'll use a structured decision-making process to decide on the best solution using dot stickers to vote in silence. After that, everyone creates a storyboard of their own idea. And once again, we vote on the best storyboard with more stickers. Wednesday is all about prototyping the chosen storyboard. Remember, you don't need to create a completed product. And there are really no limits to how you want to prototype. Even for something non-digital, you can modify an existing product or even just prototype the marketing materials. Now, for the final day, for the moment of truth, you'll have 5 one-on-one user testing interviews with people who fit into the criteria of your target audience. You'll validate your solutions with the feedback and have clarity on what to do next. So, how does that sound? Are you ready? Don't worry anyway, because our facilitators will be there with you the whole way. I think you've got this. So I'll see you at the next one. All right.